Dear students, welcome back to Full Scholarships live video series. Today we'll be discussing the process of application for Qatar University fully funded graduate scholarships 2026 program for all the international students who wish to complete their masters or PhD through scholarships in Qatar University. We will show you the full process for this. Before we proceed, let me remind you to subscribe. If you already have subscribed, please do like this video and do follow us on Instagram page as well. The link for this Qatar University Scholarship is given in the video description below. You can check out any of the videos published on our YouTube channel. Links for each of the scholarships are in the respective description of each of the videos. Also, in the About section of the YouTube, you can find the links. They are posted there. You can click on the links, or you can directly visit our website fullscholarships.net or cashmanlook.com, and you can apply for this scholarship. Also on Instagram, you can directly message our team, ask for link, or you can check out the stories for the links. We keep posting all the scholarship. You can also join the community on our Instagram, and you can get the link for scholarship there as well. The best way to reach us is our website fullscholarships.net. So this Qatar University has opened application for international students from all over the world to pursue masters and doctorate degree in Qatar, and they are offering fully funded awards that include tuition waiver, living stipends, travel, flight cost, accommodation, and cost of research as well. So, the summary for the scholarship that is listed is: host country is Qatar, and you can complete your postgraduate degree there. Eligible countries, almost all countries are eligible. So full funded scholarship is there, living stipend is there, accommodation, air travel plus visa fee, and the deadline for this process to complete is February 25, 2026. So you have to complete within that deadline. And yeah, I can see. So the university is accepting the applications for all the masters and PhD programs. And to be considered for this, master's applicants should have bachelor's degree with CGPA of 2.8 at least, and for PhD a master's degree with bachelor's and a GPA of 3.0. Then the graduate scholarship duration and reward: exemption from tuition fee, exemption from textbook fee, monthly living salary, student housing including transportation to and from campus, annual round trip airfare tickets, and residence permit under QU sponsorship. Documents: you need to fill online application, your high school transcripts, two recommendation letters, passport photo page, English proficiency certificate, IELTS, TOEFL. These are optional. Standardized test scores for PhD applicants, and all details regarding these documentation can be found here. And how to apply: you have to submit online application through the portal, and you'll receive letter of acknowledgement to the confirm the receipt of your application, review and interview, then submit all the documents. So in order to start the application, you can check here, click here to apply. So click on this link to start application. Once you click on that, you can see Qatar University Student Affairs website. The timeline, application timeline is here. So 1st of the December application has started. We are the first on the YouTube to bring you the process for the application for session 2026 starting 1st of December, and we are the first to bring this application process video on the YouTube. Please do like this video so that we keep our team is there who keep eye on the upcoming opportunities, and we bring it to you so that you apply early as, and yeah, you get some benefit in applying to this, and you also have a lot of time to prepare. So now you can see applying to QU. Click on this tab here. If you have any doubts, you can read about the particular application university here. All the sections are there. We'll just go to the application part. So click on this apply to QU here. Once you click on that, apply to QU, application process, pay application fee. There is a Qatari 350 real free for applications. You have to submit required documents. Then, in order to start the application, you can see application process. So, step one is given here. You have to complete online application form and upload required documents. You can see start my application button. Second step, you have to receive letter of acknowledgement within 3 business days and application review. So, the important step is only step one. So, click on start my application here. Once you click on that, for the first time users, you need to create an account here. So, you have to click on first time users account creation. Click on this, create a login ID, create a pin. Like I have my login ID here, my name and the year. You can just keep your name and your year and verify pin. Then click on login. You'll receive a confirmation. I already have a login ID that I have created using the same form. I'll just use the same details and click on login. Now you can see I have signed in. Inside the dashboard, you can see you have to select programs. You can see masters, PhD, pharmacy, diploma, certificate. So there are different programs. We'll go with the master application. Click on continue. Now select the term fall 2026. First name, last name. Click on fill out application form. Now we have to complete all the sections one by one. 8 steps are there. So click on name confirmation here. Name, first name, last name. Click on continue. Now select the gender. Select male, female, whatever you are. Then date of birth must be as per passport. Make sure there should be no mistakes in there. Qatari ID, if you have, if you're international student, just mention, enter your mobile number with country code. Okay. If you don't have Qatari ID, please enter your mobile number with country code 11 digit max. We'll just mention this. Click on continue. Then current address, you can mention your address, city and country. Click on continue. Then nationality. So select the nationality here. Select place of birth. Then click on continue. Fifth, university college record you have. If you have college code, you can mention. And if not found, enter the degree here. So we'll mention. Then click on continue. So you have to mention the degree. We'll go with the Bachelor's of Engineering. Click on continue. Online degree and research base. Okay. Click on continue. So we'll select the college code. If it is not, you can still find it here. The country wise list of cities. Select the list of city here. List of colleges you can select. Different are there, but if somehow there is if your college is not found, you can see the process is mentioned here. For example, we'll just click this one, click copy selected, move to data entry. College code is there, click on continue. Select the degree of the college that you have completed at the university or the college that you have selected. Then planned graduate program. You can see I'll go with the masters in computing. Click on continue. Then you can see click on continue. You can change the program as well. Now you have to upload documents. So one by one you have to upload documents. First is the Qatar national ID. We do not have, so we'll select passport. Now choose file. So one by one you have to choose file here and select the file. Click open, click on upload. One by one you have to upload these sections here. And now select another, that's photograph, CV, transcripts, essays. One by one you have to upload all this. Once you click on this, click on continue. So you can see if something is missing, they'll be listing you. You can go to the checklist. Let's go to checklist here. Applicant must at least prior university transcripts. Okay, you can see here. So choose file. So upload your transcripts. and click on upload. Let's see after submission of this document if we can be able to proceed further. Click on continue. Now you can see the declaration. You have to upload all the documents. Here you have to enter your email, then your secondary email, and then your Qatari phone number, your non-Qatari. Then you have to agree. Click on continue. You must select the country code. Okay, let's do this. Click on agree. Click on continue. You must insert a valid email. Okay, let's agree to this. Click on continue. Now there is a declaration. So enter the email OTP code received on your email. Let's go to the Gmail first and find our, you can see OTP. Let's go there, paste it here, click on continue. Now you can see all sections done. You can click on application is complete. So you have to agree to terms. Click on I agree. Now you can see payment. So click on submit payment. Pay the application fee. Try to ask the waiver from the university. There's a certain format. If you want that format, you can mail us, or it's available on the website. You can just buy the format there. So yeah, if you wish to go for the waiver, some countries do get. If you are from a developing country, you'll be getting a waiver. Mention the card type you wish to go for the payment, complete the payment, and then you have to pay for the acknowledgement. So for the acknowledgement, you have to wait. It will take usually 3 days, and by 3 days you'll be receiving that. By 3 days you'll be receiving the acknowledgement that your application has been received. You will be going for the review. Once review complete, they'll be giving you the decision. So that's it, the simple process. If you have any doubts regarding application, paying application fee, seeking application waiver, choosing the program, your college not listed like your previous high school, or your secondary school or your university is not listed in this, how to select the other colleges, all these doubts can be solved. Just drop a comment. But if you are commenting without subscribing, it goes to spam section and we miss it. So try to subscribe. It's absolutely free and it won't cost you anything. It will definitely save your time and give you a value full of uh, the you usually use social media, and we want you to utilize your phone for something that will help you in growing your career. So for that, try to save our website fullscholarships.net as bookmark on your PC, laptop, phone, whatever your device you are using, or on the home page as a shortcut, and it will save you a lot of time. You can also subscribe YouTube channel, subscribe, press to the bell notifications, so that whenever we premiere a video or a live demo of application, you can directly comment through the video and our team will answer you. That's it for today, and I hope you enjoyed the Qatar University fully funded graduate scholarship application process. And once you get accepted, once the process is reviewed, you'll be also getting the information regarding scholarship in the same, the amount of scholarship you'll be receiving. And also some documents need to be submitted post uh, the submission of the application or post review process, or if you're shortlisted, then also some documents need to be submitted. Keep the reference of the payment if you pay the application fee. Do follow us on Instagram, check out mails for all updates, visit our website fullscholarship.net. Keep watching, have a nice day ahead.